That's tight.
I'm just gonna put that clip in with no context.
I hear your thing is huge.
Again, I'm gonna put that in with no context. Why is this game full of innuendos? You can have a lot of fun in your bedroom.
What if you sat on me? Could you do that, maybe?
Is this sexual? I'll only sit on you if it is sexual. This is really weird. I really wish I had a webcam on right now so you could see me just squatting in the middle of my room.
I feel a lot better now. I just needed someone to sit on me.
Oh, don't we all, buddy? Don't we all? See you later.
What if you sat on me? Could you do that, maybe?
You want it again? God, you're so needy. Jesus Christ. You happy now?
How else can I say it? Thank you.
Yeah, okay. We'll move on to the next person. Oh, God damn, that was loud.
Now would be the perfect time to tell your crush. Tell him everything.
Tell my crush everything? I'll do it. Hey, I just felt like we had a bit of a connection.
Just like do a squat right on here.
Oh, okay, all right. Oh, I think I know what you're gonna want. Not now, I'm busy.
Ooh.
This isn't making him happy. That's what I'm talking about, honey. I look good.
Wait.
Hey, Mr. Chair, come get a look at me and my new look.
Hey.
Open up, I'm coming in whether you like it or not. Let me in, 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 let me in. Okay, we're safe. Oh, hey, Chair. Your 4 legs look really nice today. Nice and personal here. Oh, I like that. It looks like a shrimp.
Let's try taking care of you together.
Wait, you don't like it? I can try a different one, I guess. I kind of like that. Hi.
Wow, so much better already.
I love it. Okay,
Over
I cleaned up
here.
the bathroom
Come
now.
over.
I swear, you better work this time.
It feels weird saying this.
Yes,
Joe.
it's working.
You know you can say no, right?
What?
Try telling me no.
Yes?
Yeah, it's good to help people.
Oh.
But if someone's being a jerk or you just don't want to, tell
Plunge
them
me.
no.
Plunge you?
Plunge me immediately.
Plunge you? Alright.
Just say no to that plunger.
Put me in
right
that
over
toilet.
I will.
there. Don't put up with
Hey,
that
you
plunger.
coward.
Master
Tell
wants to
them
go in the toilet. Master goes in the toilet.
Love you.
One of the most bizarre moments of my VR career.
Plunge me.
I'm trying.
Plunge me immediately.
Get in the plunge the toilet.
Wait,
It's
excuse
not.
me?
I need to see you can do
I know
it.
you didn't just say
Don't tell
no.
that
No.
plunger
Put me in the toilet. I meant to plunge.
No.
Look at that toilet. It's filthy anyway.
Why does that make me happy? Sending a bad message to the kids. That doorknob taught me how to be a dick, basically. Cactus, fuck you. I want us to be the first people to ever enjoy this game. Maybe not the way they intended, but we'll enjoy it nonetheless. Ah, there it is. Okay, let's just go right in. Jesus Christ, this poor guy. Look at that, a minute left on the clock. I didn't even break a sweat. The little scream. I don't even get a chance to defend myself. It just read at me and I was captured. Piggy doesn't seem all that bad. He just moved me around. I mean, he could have done worse. Wait, why am I willingly getting into this? Just leave her die. I don't know who she is. Alright, what am I doing? I don't understand what I just did. Alright, I'm just gonna start mashing buttons. Whatever happens, happens. Alright, sorry about that, Missy. I don't have any experience with this machine.
Oh God, it hurts.
Woman, if you keep pressuring me, I'm just gonna kill you just for the fun of it. Oh, thank God I did it. Jesus, that was boring. It just took too much concentration from me. Oh, someone else in need of help. Don't worry, I'm coming. He's probably saying help because I'm coming. Quality, not quantity, Jigsaw. A mannequin arm, perfect. I definitely need a hand.
Look, it hasn't even started yet, okay?
What's that face? Constipation?
Oh, come on now, Shrek.
Wait, hold on, hold on, hold on. Wrist strap. Respectable, it says. There is nothing respectable about this. Freaking out. Shaking my hands all over the place. What is this? I didn't really know what to expect from this game, but I didn't expect this. The hell is C? Why does the feckin' Wii have to be so confusing? Wait, why do they have a lever for that? It's like, oh yes, and this will be the destroy the chandelier lever. We'll hide it in this cupboard.
Please behave.
Oh, I like that he did it at the same time I did it there. I forgot how immersive these games can be. See if I actually slap now. Yeah, this feels great. It feels like I'm actually partaking in physical violence. Press the 2 of these for ogre power. Oh my God, I don't like ogre power. What the hell is this?
Don't mind
Oh, good. Now I get to play as Puss in Boots. As he just smacks into my head. Donkey! I'm Shrekking over here. I'm not even sure what that means. Oh, okay, I see. So instead of having like any button to actually push this, it's just walk into it and push it really fucking awkwardly. That's fine. Oh my god. Ow! How do I feckin' go into ogre mode? That's more like it. Beat up this old veteran. Thank you. Save my monetization.
You're gonna be a daddy!
Santa Maria! Time to say goodnight.
Ah, yes. Big Puss in Boots. Perfect.
What's more like it?
Even Shrek is happy it's not him. How do I fight? Okay, they've just abandoned motion controls in favor of just tapping A instead.
Oh, sure is great to be wanted again.
How do I get out of this? Oh my god, that's something I didn't want to see today. It's like as if the smile wasn't bad enough. He's like, let me take my shirt off too. It's not all about you, Fiona. You failed. I don't even know what I was supposed to do. Ah, I bet you always wanted to see Jim in fishnets, right? This is close enough. I don't know. I'm just trying to think what would lure me into the ocean. And a few of these are kind of working for me. We can make him thicker. Alright, he's thicker, but just in his mermaid form. Oh my god, very thick. Oh wait, no, that stayed. Oh no, Jim, go back. My brain has forgotten what normal is. Skinny dip? Can I even skinny dip anymore? Gets naked, and then immediately gets dressed again in his mermaid form. Look at how elegant he is. He's just splashing this random dude. Oh my god, I'd come over to that too. That was beautiful. I'm trying to do a mermaid kiss, but I got rid of my mermaid thing because I came out of the water, so now I'm just a naked dude. Why you saying you need to go to the toilet? Come on, you're in the massive toilet. You're in the world's toilet. The ocean. Country roads. Yeah, now I'm just some naked dude singing to this guy on the beach. Like, this isn't a mermaid song. Spitefully splash dolphin. And I think you gotta come too. He's just doing laps. I guess just showing off how much faster he is. At some point, you'd think she'd just swim away. Like, she even knows there's something fucky going on here. Look at her face. Oh, wait, she's still game to make out, though. It's like, how many times could you make out with a mermaid, I guess? Especially with one this thick. Why is he running away naked? I don't understand. Aha, sing to her, pull her back in. Wait, why are you getting in the boat? And why are you always naked now? An old man going around in a boat naked. It's kind of magical, isn't it? Okay, he's fallen asleep. I told him to lounge on the canoe, and this is his lounging. Just falling asleep naked. Oh my god, what the hell is he doing now? He's freaking out. Spitefully splash Brack. Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh, we're really good friends though, me and Brack. Wait, we're soulmates? What the shit? Oh my god, he's freaking out. He's got this nervous tick now. He just screams like a dolphin. They're judging him for being naked. Or maybe they're liking the fact he's naked. I don't know. They don't seem to take any notice when he's a mermaid, but when he's naked, everyone's freaking out. Oh my god, could you get any more uncomfortably close to this woman as you build a sandcastle naked? She's leaving. I don't blame her. I invited her to build. Maybe that's why she was pissed. Watch where you throw the sand now. Oh, this guy ran to get that view. This is uncomfortable. They're all treating him like a piece of meat. Yay, it's done. Way to ruin the moment. Might as well just destroy the whole thing. You can all leave now. They're all just staring at him. They look so pissed. We could just go around impregnating the neighborhood and making new Shrek movies. Fucking terrifying. Look at it. You can't force friendship. Anyway, this really turns me on. Fancy a mermaid kiss? Come here, you. It's so fucking weird. I wonder which one will go next. I mean, we all have an equal chance here of dying, right? We're all equally strong swimmers. He's just panicking now, swimming around in circles. I don't think he knows what to do anymore. What? I don't think this is allowed. I don't think this is supposed to happen.
Wash your move!
But Jim likes it, and that's all that matters, I guess. Okay, that was a long process, but it's done. That took me so feckin' long. Oh my god, they're threatening to quit. Do not quit. Come on, get happier. I don't want you to quit. We need to finish this movie. I think if they quit, then it won't... Oh, no. I don't really blame him. He's been working for 13 years straight without a break. But what? Then I saw him. A clown who would soon clown with my heart, with legs all the way up to here. And the only thing he was juggling was my feelings. Listen, your husband and sister, Joy, was just murdered. Oh, forget about her. Stop clowning around and kiss me, you fool. We are gathered here today to join these two lovers in holy matrimony. And you two lovers pledge to clown and only clown with each other and not another. To clown with another would be frowned upon.
What are you doing?
God, she still looks so beautiful even though we left her decomposed for a few days, doesn't she? Ah, now that we're finally alone, Penny Dumb, and Bad Guy has left the room, we should kiss as we are alone and Bad Guy's not here. You stay away from me and my son, intruder! I need to go use the bathroom. Wow, I must say I'm looking and smelling amazing right now. Time to get back downstairs to those two handsome hunks. Oh my god, this was unexpected. Now let me massage you. That's so good. It feels amazing. Yes, I bet that drowns your sorrows. Like I'm going to drown you now, as you're a bad guy. Taking me a long time to drown, but I'm gonna keep holding you down like this until you're dead. Now to entertain me, you better dance, monkey. You better dance and impress your new lords. That's not bad, actually. Yeah, she's not bad. Oh my god, I got a letter from Pickens and I think he might like me. Oh my god, he totally does?